They flood our ports with refugees, the truth that's never told, while backroom men in Leinster House our country they've sold. They say it's just compassion, but the headlines scream in red: another child, another raped, an Irish girl is dead. They tell us to stay silent, to swallow all their lies, to trust the state and NGOs while angry parents cry. 1,000 crimes unanswered, yet the Gardaí turn away for fear of being branded honorable. It's better to betray. This is not the Irish spirit, born in fight and flame. This is not the sacred land our heroes died to claim. This is broken trust and treason, wrapped up in lies and shame. They've traded truth for power and money in a coward's game. No trials in the papers, no justice in the courts, and still they build more centers while still flooding our ports. While pensioners go hungry, the sick are made to wait, yet free hotel rooms rise up fast, sponsored by the state. The government's a shadow now of the foreign lords they serve. Not one will stand for Ireland, not one has got the nerve. They say it's hate to question, but we know what we are seeing. We know the cost in blood and tears of keeping Ireland clean. This is not the Irish spirit, born in fight and flame. This is not the sacred land our heroes died to claim. This is broken trust and treason, wrapped up in lies and shame. They've traded truth for power and money in a coward's game. This is still our Ireland, though traitors run the show, and planted seeds of silence grow where we once walked proud and slow. But truth is not a whisper, it's a drum that shakes the fold, and we'll rise up from the ashes of the island they